door just flew off at me. Ooh. So we're out here at the first location with the Evo. It's a Samson Vale Lake. It's actually super pretty out here. Like, the weather is also amazing today. Evo's also looking sexy. I'm so jealous to whoever this goes to, because honestly, like, the platform is so solid. The car feels so smooth. Just has the perfect amount of power, and the fact that, of course, it's all-wheel drive. It's literally my dream car, I can't lie to you. What we're gonna do out here is we're gonna get the content first to the car, and we're gonna go to the next location. I think we're gonna maybe go for a little mountain run, get some POVs with the glasses. Yeah, we'll go from there. We're about to go up a mountain. It's actually such a beautiful location out here. Like, look at the hills. So keen to actually drive this thing up the mountain. Could never get old of that, honestly. Moment of truth. Let's see what it's like up this mountain. Road's a little bit rough. Honestly, it's super tidy though. It feels super like, ooh, GT3 RS, just going for a little cruise. Man, this must be the road for it. Look at that, guys. We're actually pretty high up at the moment, as you guys can clearly see. Just come up to this top of the mountain, and there's actually a cafe here with a view. So just parked up the Evo. We're gonna go grab a quick drink, and then we're gonna continue filming the POV stuff. Look at that. Oh, thank you so much. Monster has been acquired. Is it the no sugar one? I cooked myself. I didn't even get the no sugar one. We're gonna continue this little mountain run. Just had to little pit stop at the cafe and back to the office. If this isn't a sign to get yourself an Evo, then I honestly don't know what is. I think there's only like 450 people in the draw at the moment to win a 300kW Evo. Like, it's absolutely insane. Guys, you just missed it. So you see the back of this trailer? The back door just flew off at me, and it was this. I should have recorded it. I'm so upset, but I literally bounced off, and I like quickly dodged it. E85 smells good. Cheers, bro. Did I just get that organic reaction from the biker saying E85? Hey, shout out to the biker, for real. My boy knows. You lost the back of your trailer, as in like the door. Okay. Just wanted to let you know though. It's in the middle of the road, like I've seen it, but okay, just to let you know. That's all good. Man, it just sticks to the road like nothing. So we just finished up shooting at another location, found another lake. It's gonna come out super nice. I guess the only issue is with the Evo being black, it's rather hard to shoot in really harsh lighting. I feel like the car would probably do a lot better on a rainy day. My last car, I had a Slam Golf R, which was black. I'll put it up on the screen here so you guys can see. I found it super difficult to shoot with black. It becomes super hard with the sun. So you kind of just see the reflections and everything, but I think we did a pretty good job. I got a lot of POV mounts and stuff as well, and low POV driving. So now what we're gonna do is, I think I'm gonna go pick up Seb. I think I'm gonna be cheeky, go on the way back, pick him up. He's never actually been in an Evo, and I know he'd actually like to be in an Evo. I feel like his reaction would be super genuine. So I'm gonna go and surprise him. I'm gonna go pick him up and take him for a little hot lap. Now listen to this turbo. One more. The shifter feels super nice and tight. The clutch also feels really good. Let's just put up the Bunnings. It's got my boy Harps here.
What's up?
Bro, what do you think of the Evo? What do you think of the Evo?
This is the cleanest Evo I've ever seen. Beautiful. It is beautiful.
I just feel like you can't go wrong with an Evo.
You can't.
You really can't.
This spec is brilliant.
Harper's entered into some of our previous draws, and I was just stopping past, so I may as well just give him a little look. So we just got here, and look who it is.
This thing is so clean, bro. I heard you pull up.
Yeah.
See, it's a comp, yeah. Dude, this thing puts you in your seat. Holy!
But that bang was insane. That bang was insane.
Holy shit. I'm jealous to whoever wins it. How the sounds that this car produces is insane. Oh, they've done a really good job building this.
So, with you being an Evo for the first time ever, what do you think?
To be fair, this is actually insane.
It's pretty cracked.
The way that this thing pulls and sounds, nah. I don't think there's any other car that sounds like this that I've ever been in. Like, it's actually off its head.
How do you find the Evo 9 seats?
So comfy. Honestly, these are the comfiest seats I've ever sat in. The way that this thing sounds. This thing, no bro, this thing doesn't have berries. This is the berries. I've never seen so many people break their necks to this car. This is insane.
It sounds so good.
The way that it flutters. Guys, this car is absolutely amazing. Vinci has done a wonderful job. And like I said, this is my first time being in this car. Like, how could you ever hate on this vehicle? Also, shout out to Josh for picking me up.
So we made it back in one piece. Evo is back in the valley. Man, that was fun. That was actually a good time. I can't lie to you, my phone died, unfortunately. Couldn't actually call the lads. Fuck, they were out for lunch. They didn't even invite me. But it was alright. We're in the Evo. It came out really good. The car was super reliable, super fun. My honest opinion is I now need an Evo because I've never driven an Evo. I've never I've never gone in a all-wheel drive Japanese car before, actually, except for I guess this Evo. It's too much fun, bro. It's too much fun. I feel like this you could actually daily though, to be fair. But it was super sick. And until next time.